Hello and welcome to our video on how to fix Xbox One or Xbox Series XS error 0X82D40006 when you try to sign in to your Xbox console. If you're seeing this error message, don't worry, we've got you covered. Here are some solutions that might help you fix this error. Solution 1 is to restart your console. Sometimes a simple restart can fix the issue. To do this, press and hold the Xbox button on your console for 10 seconds until it turns off. Then, turn it back on and try signing in again. Solution 2 is to clear your MAC address and restart your console. To do this, go to the General tab, select Network Settings, then Advanced Settings, and finally Alternate MAC address. Select Clear and restart your console. Solution 3 is to check your NAT type. If your NAT type is not open, it could interfere with signing in to Xbox Live. To check your NAT type, go to Settings, then Network Settings, and finally NAT type. It should be open. If it's not, you will need to open some ports with your internet provider. These ports must be open for Xbox Live to work. Port 88 UP, port 374, UDP and TCP, port 53 UDP, port 80 TCP, port 500 UDP, and port 3544 UDP. Solution 4 is to perform a reset on your console. To do this, go to Settings, then System, then Console Info, and finally reset this Xbox. Select Reset and Keep My Games and Apps. Note that this option will not cause you to lose your games, but make sure you are completely aware of your email address and password. And there you have it, 4 solutions to fix Xbox One or Xbox Series XS error 0X82D40006 when you try to sign in to your Xbox console. We hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos like this one. Thanks for watching.